Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the phone model and Android version because Samsung options vary. Next, go to Settings and open Accessibility. Enable one-handed mode so you can shrink the screen instantly. Then, tap Display Screen Zoom and font to make initial size changes. Adjust the slider until content fits. Once done, make sure background apps are closed. That prevents layout conflicts. These quick checks get you into a smaller view fast and reliably, without guessing. You now refine the size. Use the one-handed gesture, swipe diagonally from a bottom corner to shrink the active screen instantly. Practice it to be fast. Open display settings and tweak screen zoom for consistent app layouts, and use accessibility magnification for temporary zoom control. If an app still looks off, enable developer options and change the smallest width, DPI, carefully. Lower numbers make UI elements larger relative to screen. Higher numbers make them smaller. Test repeatedly so visuals stay useful. You finish by saving your preferred display and accessibility settings, then reboot so changes persist across reboots. Check the home screen grid and restore defaults if icons overlap, because layout resets can fix misaligned elements. If something breaks, clear the system UI cache or reset display settings rather than a full factory reset. That resolves most scaling bugs. As a last resort, note your backup plan, record settings, then reset the phone. This preserves data while...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.